響いてただ駆け抜けた胸にまばゆい衝動弾けた想いに My star will shine forever あの日抱えた全て強く生きてゆけ僕の中で今
What's up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel, and today we are going to explain about the new ICO. I'm so sorry, guys. In the last time, I didn't update any video because I'm busy with in my home, in my house especially. But now I will have more time to update again, to follow again about the ICO popular in the blockchain world. So this is the new ICO, guys. ICO.co or .co. This is the world's first ICO platform implementing DAICO. What is ICO and what is DAICO, guys? You can find at this video also, but I want to explain, and let me read and explain and introduce to you about the service, about this platform, guys. So this is the about the ICOVO. ICOVO is the world's first and only. It's making me interesting with this first text. The world's first and only ICO platform that can actualize healthy ICOs. So this is the ICOs to make healthy of more of the other ICOs. The service to make ICO for you want to build an ICO, want to build a project, should be launch ICO. So this is the service ICOVO.co to make sure that you are healthy in your ICO. The core of its service in the DAICOVO smart contract. So the DAICOVO is the smart contract, right? So let me explain one by one, which is based on the concept of DAICO. So the basic is the DAICO, which was advocated by Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin in January 2018. You got the advocate, you got certificate from Ethereum or something like that. And each country government is advancing regulation in order to create a healthy environment for ICOs. But this is the difficult to achieve for borderless ICOs using only centralized regulation. We will solve fraud first. They solve the fraud and decrease in project motivation. The problem raised by ICOs through the decentralized approach of DAICO. With the mission of having a ICOs use DAICO, we will develop an open source DAICOVO. So you can do anything with DAICO in DAICOVO, which is like with the thinking behind DAICO. In addition, we will issue OVO token. So the token by ICOVO is OVO for the ticker, for the symbol, something like that, for the popular in the future, which will be specialized as a currency for procuring ICO investment. Ethereum, which has a high distribution amount and is universal, is currently used as the main currency for procurement. But we will provide benefit for ICO investors for using OVO for participating in project on the ICOVO platform. So not only with Ethereum, Bitcoin cash or something popular coin in who accepted for investment, but you can use OVO token with ICOVO to buy or to invest your OVO token in some of the ICOs. It's very good, guys. It's very interesting. OVO is the world's only token specialist for ICO phone procurement. Its value increases the more sound ICOs are undertaken on the ICOVO platform, so OVO will serve as a symbol and index of the health of the ICO environment. In addition to creating a healthy ICO environment with DAICOVO and OVO is its core, ICOVO has its mission to expand the range of the ICO investor and the ICO market itself. ICOVO will solve problems by eliminating barriers to the process of participating in ICOs so that anyone can easily participate. which integrates the world-only wallet optimized for ICOs and ICOVO web, which will increase usability when participating in ICOs through personal computer. Through the provision of its power services, the ICOVO, OVO, and ICOVO application and ICOVO web, ICOVO will build an ecosystem for reliable blockchain-related startups. It's very good, guys. So this is the inside out the thing of the ICOVO. What is ICOVO and what is the ICO? I already answered in this, guys. Service overview and organization you can find at icovo.co. So let's follow, guys. The ICOVO is smart contract that implement the ICO model. So this is you can find it here at the image about the plot about the how the ICO work. You can find it here, guys. DAO, ICO, and ICO. So you can find it here. And also token holder already in here, the ICO lab, the ICO template, and so on. And ICOVO application, a smartphone application featuring a wallet optimized for ICOs. You can find here. ICOVO's iOS and Android feature a multi-token, multi-account wallet compatible with Ethereum and ERC20 token based on the same private wallet. It's very good, guys. They'll build anything. Need for the people who want to build an ICO. So for example, he built a smart contract, he built the ICO, he built a service, he built a wallet, he built ICOVO web in here, guys. Sure, it's good. You can sign up in here, guys. You get free token in here and the mission and vision. Let's see what is mission and what is the vision. So this is the ICOs are at the crux of the ecosystem necessary for hatching innovative blockchain-led startup. ICOVO will support a healthy ICO which will make a future by offering ICOVO web, ICOVO application, and ICOVO. Details are described below in the 3-point increase ICO transparency and protect investor. So this is the mission and vision, and reduce barrier for ICO participant and increase project durability. It's very good, guys. Increase ICO transparency and protect investor. We should as an guys, and let me tell you, if you have built an ICO, if you have built some of the project and want to bring many investors to him, make sure, guys, that you should protect the investor who follow your project. Make sure it is true. It is makes your project a success in the future. It's very good. We aim to protect ICO investors by introducing a fundraising management system and increasing the transparency of ICO project founder as well as the project themselves. It's very good. I believe with this one. I think this project is very good if this project applied in the future. You can find it here, guys. Also decentralized token management, decentralized white paper versioning, team member KC and IAML, and visualize activity situation, reduce barriers for ICO participants. You can find here get a better investment environment and reduce barriers to ICO participant by unifying the investment process and the format for information disclosure, implementing local wallet, unifying format, reducing labor for KYC, and so on, and increase project durability, fund acquisition and overall. You can find it here, this image at Q1, Q2, and Q3 also rise, and even already followed by Ethereum Hack in Tokyo, World Blockchain Summit at Singapore, and also ICO Kick-Off Party at Singapore, Korea followed, guys, Crypto Valley Conference, Blockchain Europe, and Crypto Valley Conference, Blockchain Summit, MGAC, ICOVO Hatching Party, and so on, guys. Many events already done in the section and already present in this website. And also this is the team, guys. The team as Aki Hiroyamase as CEO founder, and Masahiko Kumada as CEO founder, Chief Vice CFO, and this is the CEO and CFO. This is the smart people present in here. Yoshikazu Nishimura. I'm so sorry I can read the name with time. I'm so sorry, guys, because I can't. It's very hard for me to say like that. Tokuya Obata as a SIP operating officer. So I hope your project success in the future. I hope you got healthy in the future to make sure this project will success in the future. So this is Atsuko Chiba, the girl one and only. Oh no, Haruna Tanaka also presenting here, and this is Ria Sony. So the beautiful girl are representing here to make sure this project success in the future. So this is the roadmap, guys, from 2018 from key one and the product, the ICO promotion ICO, key 2 and ICO application and so on. From 2018 until 2019 at key 3 at globalization, we will check the situation of country flow and start global development. It's very good. So white paper you can find out here, guys. This is for the English version and also Japanese version. So this is our information about the ICOVO.co, guys. You can find at ICOVO.co, and make sure, guys, before you invest in some of the ICO, make sure that you understand about this project. Make sure that you understand about the white paper, who are them of the team, and anything about this project, the success of the and don't forget, guys, make sure that you believe in some of the project to make sure that you invest in the best way. So this is all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, guys, for subscribe, like, share, and comment this video, and